Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to create a slow-mo video in TikTok. Now open the TikTok application on your mobile phone. Once you open your TikTok app, you can see at the bottom the create icon. You tap on it. Now here you need to record the video. I'm just gonna record a simple videos for here. Tick mark. Now here what you need to do is you can see there's options on the left side. Sound, effects, text, stickers. Here tap on effects. And if you see in the options available, you can see time option at the right side at end. Tap on time. Now here you can choose the slow-mo options. There you can see the option, tap on slow-mo. You can also choose the amount of time where you want to apply that slow-mo effect. If you choose this much, the slow-mo effect will be only visible over this period of time. So I'm just gonna tap this. Once you are done, you tap on save on the top of the right side. And there you can see the effect is in use. And then tap on next. Now here you can describe your videos, add some hashtags, tag some friends. Once you're done, you can tap on post. And there you can see the video is uploading. And it's done. There you can see. Hope this video was useful to you on how you can upload a slow-mo video on TikTok. Thank you.